Welcome to our deep dive into Carl software. Today we'll explore its features, benefits, and how it revolutionizes maintenance management. Join us as we uncover why Carl is essential for organizations of all sizes.
Carl software addresses the critical need for effective maintenance management. It helps organizations maintain infrastructure, preventing costly and dangerous breakdowns. Think of it as an insurance policy that keeps everything running smoothly and efficiently.
Carl offers a comprehensive suite of modules, each designed for specific maintenance tasks. From Carl Source for desktop management to Carl Touch for field technicians and Carl Flash for public issue reporting, it covers all bases.
The modular approach of Carl allows businesses to customize their maintenance solutions. Companies can select the modules they need and expand as their requirements grow, ensuring cost-effectiveness and flexibility in their operations.
Carl's real-time problem-solving capabilities are a game-changer. Technicians can instantly report issues using Carl Touch, triggering immediate work orders and minimizing downtime, which is crucial for industries where time is money.
Carl supports various maintenance strategies, including reactive, preventative, and predictive maintenance. By using data and AI, it predicts equipment failures before they occur, saving money and enhancing safety.
Predictive maintenance with Carl uses AI and machine learning to analyze data patterns. It alerts users to potential equipment failures, allowing for timely interventions and preventing costly breakdowns.
Carl's digital twin technology creates virtual replicas of real-world assets. This allows for performance visualization, scenario simulation, and predictive analysis, helping businesses plan maintenance effectively.
Augmented reality is integrated into Carl, providing technicians with hands-free access to repair manuals and real-time data. This innovation enhances efficiency and accuracy in maintenance tasks.
Carl's user-friendly interface ensures accessibility for all employees, not just IT experts. Its intuitive design and customizable dashboards make it easy for anyone to manage maintenance tasks effectively.
Carl fosters a proactive maintenance culture, shifting organizations from reactive problem-solving to preventing issues before they arise. This approach empowers employees and improves communication.
Carl's widespread adoption across industries, from manufacturers to city councils, highlights its versatility. Even iconic structures like the Eiffel Tower rely on Carl for maintenance, showcasing its reliability.
With over 35 years of experience, Carl has evolved from a DOS program to a cutting-edge maintenance solution. Its commitment to innovation ensures it remains at the forefront of technology.
Carl integrates advanced technologies like building information models and CAD maps. These tools provide detailed insights into infrastructure, aiding in efficient maintenance planning and execution.
Geographical information systems in Carl enhance location-based maintenance management. They enable real-time tracking and optimization of resources, improving operational efficiency.
Carl's integration with ERP and SCADA systems provides a comprehensive view of organizational operations. This integration streamlines processes from inventory management to energy optimization.
Carl leverages the Internet of Things, using data from connected devices to enhance predictive maintenance. This continuous data stream allows Carl to learn and improve its problem-solving capabilities.
Despite its technological advancements, Carl emphasizes the human element. Its design focuses on user-friendliness, collaboration, and training, ensuring that people can effectively use the system.
Carl's pricing options make it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Its cloud-based version is ideal for smaller companies, offering advanced maintenance solutions without the need for expensive hardware.
Carl's impact goes beyond technology, driving cultural change within organizations. It promotes accountability, resource optimization, and a proactive mindset, transforming maintenance management.
Carl delivers significant ROI by reducing inventory costs, downtime, and improving productivity. Its comprehensive approach leads to a domino effect of positive outcomes for businesses.
Carl's proactive maintenance culture enhances employee morale and engagement. By preventing issues before they arise, it creates a stable and empowering work environment, benefiting both people and machines.
Thank you for joining our exploration of Carl software. We've seen how it transforms maintenance management and drives organizational change. Stay curious and reach out to iEngineering if you have more questions or topics to explore.